Hey, we're Sarah and Keelan Travels and we're about to embark on our big lap around Australia in our caravan.
So we're going to travel up north of Western Australia first. So we're heading up to Warra Station in June for 2 weeks. So for that 2 weeks there, we're going to be completely off-grid. And then we're going to head up north around top of WA and then through Northern Territory and then shoot back down the middle.
Our current setup is 200 amp hour AGM batteries. They weigh a tonne and we're definitely keen to get some lighter ones in there. So what pushed us to move to lithium is it's obviously the way of the future. It's lighter, it's more efficient, and also it's probably more robust. Also AGMs only have a couple hundred times you can discharge them below a certain rate, where lithiums you can discharge them a lot lower, a lot more times, and they stay strong. And obviously we're going pretty remote, so we sort of want our power supply to be reliable. For us, it's pretty important to shop local, so the reason we went iTech was because they are from WA. They do have underbonnet experience as well, so that's always a possibility for us, even though we are putting them in the caravan. In the future, we want to put one under the bonnet, so that'd be pretty exciting. Also, that they have a few ratings that people don't, like corrugation, so we're doing the Gib and the Tanami, so places like that. Hundreds of kilometres of corrugated roads a day, and really we want our power supply to be pretty robust and reliable as well. Also, their value for money too. A few of the other competitors are quite expensive for what you get, and expensive isn't always best. Also, I haven't read a bad review about iTechworld, where I have read a fair few reviews that aren't the best about other companies. So yeah, GVM is a big thing for us. We are restricted, so obviously we're saving 60 kegs. The iTechworld batteries can also discharge over 4,000 times. They're rated to that. And also they are a drop-in replacement for our AGMs currently, so we don't have to change our setup too much to be able to, drop them in. It's really a small job and it will benefit us in huge ways. So
We've decided to go with the caravan because essentially we want to be gone for over a year, so we want to be comfortable. When we thought about doing the trip around Australia, originally it was going to be the rooftop, and then we thought we did 2 weeks on the rooftop and we were sick of it. So having the caravan, we're going to have more comfort. We've got toilet, shower, kitchen, like a space where we can sit and be protected from the elements, and then be able to go off-grid and remote and be comfortable.
So at the moment we're predominantly running a few 240 volt appliances. Obviously you've got your laptop chargers and stuff, which is handy because you've got lithium and the inverter. Definitely helps there, whether if you have AGM it's just going to run the batteries down super quick with the inverter. Also got 2 fridges, so one's going to be in the back of the car as a freezer and one's going to be in the caravan, but the one in the caravan draws 6 amps, and if the other one in the back of the car ever gets put in the caravan, we want to be able to run both of them simultaneously in the caravan, so lithium definitely helps for running 2 fridges at once. Also, we're going to be using a coffee machine at some point, and to what I understand they draw about 1200 watts, so yeah, we're going to need the lithium for that as well. Very lucky to have 2 iTECH120X batteries in the caravan. We'll be keeping you up to date along our trip about how they go, and also a install video.
We're super keen to head off on our trip around Australia. If you see us out on the road, come say hello.